Happy Prince by Oscar Wilde.
High above the city stood the happy prince. Everyone admired his beauty. From high above, the happy prince could see the whole city. He saw joy, but he also saw sadness and poverty.
He saw a poor seamstress working late into the night. Her little boy was sick, but she had no money to help him.
Why are you crying? You are the most beautiful statue I have ever seen.
When I was alive, I knew only happiness.
When I was alive, I lived in this beautiful palace. I knew only joy and happiness.
The high walls of my palace hid the sadness of the world. I never saw the poor or the hungry. After I died, they placed my statue high above the city. For the first time, I saw the sorrow of my people, and my heart was filled with sadness. Now I can see the sorrow of my people, and my heart is full of sadness. Please stay with me for one more night. A family below needs our kindness. Little swallow, please take the ruby from my sword and give it to the poor seamstress. Her little boy is sick, and she has no money. The little swallow took the ruby and flew across the city. He gently placed it beside the poor seamstress and returned into the night.
A ruby? How is this possible? Who brought this beautiful jewel to my home? Thank you, whoever you are. Now I can help my little boy.
Thank you, little swallow. Will you stay with me for one more night?
Yes, dear prince. I will stay with you one more night.
I want to finish my play, but I am so cold and hungry. I don't know what to do. Little swallow, please take one of my sapphire eyes to the young playwright. He is cold and hungry, but he must finish his work. A sapphire! This is incredible! Now I can buy food and finish my play. Thank you, kind stranger.
Please, would anyone like to buy some matches? I am so cold, and I don't want to go home with nothing.
Little swallow, please take my last sapphire eye to the little girl. She is cold and afraid. She needs it more than I do.
It's so beautiful. Now my mother will be happy. Thank you, kind stranger. Dear Prince, you cannot see anymore. I will never leave you. I will stay by your side.
Little swallow, peel away my gold leaf and give it to the poor. They need it more than I do. Little swallow, peel away my gold leaf and give it to the poor. They need it more than I do.
Look, Mother, we have gold. We can buy bread today.
Thank you. My children will not go hungry today. Dear Prince, you have given everything to help others. You are still the most beautiful prince.
Little swallow, winter has come. You must fly to Egypt now.
No, dear Prince. I will stay with you. I cannot leave my friend. Goodbye, dear Prince. I will always love you.
This statue is no longer beautiful. Remove it at once and build a new one. Take it down. We will build a new and beautiful statue. Take these pieces to the furnace. We have no use for this old statue anymore.
Put every piece into the furnace. Melt it all down. Bring me the chest now.
Strange. This broken lead heart will not melt. Throw it away. Throw it here. It is useless now.
The faithful swallow and the loving heart have found their eternal home in paradise. Their kindness will live forever.
The end. True kindness and selfless love live forever.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and the bell notification icon.